I love a good hot dog, and near downtown Louisville, there's a great place if you're looking for gourmet hot dogs and wild game sausage. It's called Red Top, and there's all kinds of different hot dogs. They've got great tater tots, cheap beer, and lots of other good things. You order at the counter and you see they've got a pretty busy menu. You start on the left-hand side. There's your choice of hot dogs and sausages. Going over to the right, you've got the toppings and styles. Then the third column, you have things that aren't hot dogs. The fourth, you've got kids items and desserts. And you've got a choice of drinks. You can help yourself. At the bar, they've got beer. And the person at the counter is always friendly, will help you out. So you can sit near the counter. They have high top tables, but next door there's an addition where you've got lots of picnic tables and space. There's ping pong tables. You've got arcade games, TVs. It's a great place for kids. The beer is really cheap. So we've got ours. We're sitting at a table and our food comes in about 10 minutes. There we see some pretzel fries. They were really good. And of course, some tater tots. And then my friend Wendy, she went with the hot dog flight, 4 mini hot dogs, 4 different kinds with different toppings. I got a Wagyu beef wrapped in bacon and a Sabret's, the thin hot dog that's kind of the house standard. And we're ready to dig in. There's a better view of the hot dog flight. On the left, you've got a Louisville that has cheddar beer cheese. Black and Blue has blue cheese spread with grilled onions and bacon. The Nirvana is a veggie dog with roasted garlic cream cheese, jalapenos, and French fried onions. And the Germantown has Gouda beer cheese with grilled onions and apple bacon sauerkraut.
How's the Louisville?
Really good.
And the prices aren't too bad. The sides are good portions and about $3 average. The pretzel fries, for example, $3. The tater tots, $3. The more expensive hot dogs are around the $10 range. The cheaper are down to $5. Overall, not a bad place. The prices are good. The hot dogs were good. The sides were good. The cheap beer was good. This is Bluegrass Peasant approved, and it's right near downtown Louisville, right near Old Louisville. So if you're looking to take a tour with Louisville Historic Tours, check out the great Victorian architecture, maybe some of the haunted history in the evening. This is a great place to stop before or after your trip into Old Louisville. So once again, we can recommend Red Top hot dogs. And you can find out more about me, David Domine, the Bluegrass Peasant, at my website or on Facebook. Here you see the outside of Red Top hot dogs once again, and the address on Logan Street, just a block down from the Logan Street Market. So give Red Top hot dogs a call or stop by for lunch or dinner. They're not open on Mondays and Tuesdays, but the rest of the week, they're your place to go for gourmet hot dogs in downtown Louisville.